First thing that we are going to do is to log in our Debian-based system. This here is Kali, a distribution specialized for penetration testing. We installed this distribution as a virtual machine, and this one has a Nmap already pre-installed. All the distributions for penetration testing always have Nmap pre-installed. And in order to test Nmap and install it, we need to open a command line terminal. You can open two terminal windows and drag it to the right and left side of your desktop environment. When the terminal is opened, just type in Nmap to check if the Nmap is pre-installed. When we execute Nmap command, we can see a big output like this one. If your system does not have Nmap pre-installed, I mean the Linux system, it is very simple to install a package such as the Nmap. Inside your terminal, just run sudo apt-get install nmap. This command will install the Nmap package on your Linux system, in this case Debian. Then just press enter to execute the command, and when you get the output of this command, you can see that Nmap is already installed. These are the installation steps for Nmap on Debian-based systems. We are running Kali Linux, a penetration testing distribution, which is based on Debian operating system. When comparing Kali to other Debian-based systems, the Kali is by default a root, so you do not need to run sudo before running a commands, because your default user account has already root access to everything.